Mistplay shows already redeemed when its server thinks a reward code or payout request was already processed, even if your app interface didn't finish loading the confirmation step or your session got interrupted mid-redemption. By the end of this, you'll know how to check whether your reward is actually redeemed, fix the error message, and avoid triggering it again. First thing is verifying if the redemption actually went through. Open Mistplay and go to your account or rewards history section. Look for the specific gift card or payout you tried to claim. If it shows as completed there, the error message is just a display glitch and not a real loss of rewards. Next step is forcing a clean refresh of your account session. Log out of Mistplay completely, then close the app fully. Reopen it and log back in using the same account method you originally used. This forces the app to pull fresh redemption status directly from the server instead of showing a cached error state. If the reward does not appear in history, the next issue is usually a delayed transaction. Mistplay processes redemptions through back-end verification, and sometimes the status updates before the gift card actually finishes generating. In this case, reopening the app after a short wait often resolves the mismatch automatically. Next, clear cached data that may be locking the error message in place. Go to Settings, open Apps, find Mistplay, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes stored session data that can keep showing already redeemed even after the server state has changed. Also check your login account carefully. If you're signed into a different Google or email account than the one used for the redemption, Mistplay will still show the error based on that session's history. Switch back to the correct account and check again. If the issue happened right after tapping Redeem multiple times, that can also trigger this message. Only one request usually gets processed, and repeated taps can confuse the app's confirmation screen, even though the reward is already locked in. If nothing changes after all of that, wait a few hours and reopen the app later. Redemption status can take time to fully sync between the app interface and the server confirmation system. To sum it up, the already redeemed message usually comes from a successful but delayed redemption, a cached error state, or logging into the wrong account. Most cases are not lost rewards, just mismatched status data between your device and Mistplay's servers. If your reward shows up after syncing, avoid repeated redemption taps and always let the confirmation screen fully load before closing the app. Subscribe for more Mistplay fix guides that solve specific errors without risking your rewards or progress.